Here's how to fix add post to your story if it's missing on Instagram. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now, if you go into any post, let's say this one, you can tap the little share or airplane icon and you can see add to story. You should be able to see that on almost every post, your post as well as other people's posts. However, if you go back out of here, let's go home, and you tap on it on a different person's post, you should be able to see add to story. However, sometimes they don't allow that based on their privacy settings. So it's not available for everybody, especially if they only shared it with close friends. However, to fix it, let's go into the App Store first here, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Tap on search at the bottom right, and then we're going to search for Instagram here. And if there is an update available, it'll say update right there. So just tap on the update button to get the latest version. Now, if it doesn't say update, you can also just head into the settings here and we're going to force update it and clear the cache. So from here, tap on the general option and then iPhone storage. Now, all you need to do is find the Instagram app. There it is. And hit offload the app. Keep in mind, if you're on Android, you can just clear the cache and clear the storage of the app. Now let's just hit reinstall here, and it's going to reinstall a fresh new version of the Instagram app here to make sure that there aren't any bugs or glitches in there. Now, after it does go through that process of reinstalling, you can always open it up to see if it works at that point. And if it does, that's great. You can just go to a random post, hit the little share icon, and it should say add to story. If it still doesn't, the last thing I would recommend doing is opening up a web browser here. And on here, all we're going to do is type in is Instagram down. And we're going to check to see if down detector has a big spike in reported outages, because a lot of times this basically feature fails because Instagram servers are down. You just need to wait till it's back up and running.